Hi guys, welcome back sa welcome back. Hello. Yeah. So we are going to talk about now some inverse trigonometric functions. Okay. So let's see what pa daw nato nakita ng mga figures diha because in sa exam, the only thing that is given is the question. Okay? The problem is that if you don't know how to interpret the problem, just answer, diba? Di yun na to siya ma-answer. Well, the only good thing that you guys have for now is online is because is kanang the good thing na mahitabo sa inyo for online class is that you can open notes, right? You can look for other sources during the exam. That's why I am putting some time limits to avoid copying, no, because alam nyo na yung buhay. What if ma-engineer mo, no, without knowing differential calculus? It would be very embarrassing for my part, no. Tingnan pa lang si sir, bako sa muhang difficult na mirisi na. So I'm avoiding that. So I hope na this video will help you learn about inverse trigonometric functions, and not just this video but the lessons that I'm going to impart you will help you to become future engineers. So let's start. So nadto tay balloon, okay, leaving the ground, balloon na siya. So musaka man gyud ang balloon, di ba? Musaka na siya. Okay. So 60 feet apart from an observer. Okay. So balloon leaving the ground 60 feet from an observer. So 60 feet from an observer. So man siya si observer. 60 feet daw ni. Okay. Then the balloon rises 10 feet per second. 10 feet per second. Okay. Now this is the balloon na nagsaka. Balloon na siya. So how fast is the angle of elevation? So unsa daw kapaspas ang angle of elevation, no? Sa observer. So mata niya ba? No, mata na niya. Unsa kapaspas ang angle of elevation? So meaning kani, paunsa kapaspas mag-change ang value sa imong theta mo na sabot nga unsa kapaspas. So pag mutan-aw daw ka, di ba, mo ano man na, mulahi man gyud ang kuan na, mulahi man gyud ang angle, di ba? Mo nang pasabot sa how fast. So the line of sight increasing after 8 seconds. So after 8 seconds daw, which is not a time, no, after 8 seconds. So let's see. Okay. All right. So we forgot something sa figure. So this one right here will be 10t. Okay. Why 10t? 10 multiplied by time. So again, this is 10 with respect to time. So that is why that is 10t. Okay. So we can form an equation out of this figure already. Okay. So kani si 8 seconds here, we can use this one. Di ba pag na-derive na nato ang equation na na atong nabuhat, na-derive na nato siya, then I'm very sure na naay t ana na mabilin. And then after pag-derive nato, i-substitute nato ni si 8 seconds sa atong na-derive na equation. Let's see. Let's start here. So you have this figure here. So we can form an equation. So nganong tan? Sige. So why tan? Because walay given hypotenuse, right? Wala. What's this? What's that? So kung magbuhat ka nita og equation, you have to see unsa ang mga given sa atong figure. So we can see that given si opposite, which is 10, given si adjacent, which is 60, so we can have tan theta is equal to opposite 10 t, sorry, over 60. So you can have arctan. So pag ibalin man nimo si tan sa pikas, pak. So mahimo siya arctan. Then mawala si tan. Okay? I see, yeah. So mahimo siya arctan. Okay. So we have that equation. Now we are going to derive. So we are going to derive uh, the theta is equal to arctan 1/6 over t. So what's the derivative? Diba? Ang derivative sa arctan is 1 over 1 plus 1 over 6t squared. Tama. Squared. Do not forget to put also the derivative of 1 over 60, which is 1 over 6. Okay? So, yes. So, that's it. That's it. You have the answer here. So, 1 over 6 over 1 plus 1 over 36t squared. So, you just simply substitute, no? So, you do not need to simplify this because wala man, dili siya required since you have the given 8 seconds. But yeah, but for example, dili siya application if you need to simplify your answer pag dili siya sa application, di ba? Okay. Pero if masimplify din siya, it's also okay. You will also arrive at the same answer pag i-substitute nimo siya sa 8 seconds. So, you will have 0.06 radium, so daw, rad per second. That's radian. Sorry. Something radium. Sorry, I was reading differential equations problem earlier, and kato ang example ako gamit was radium. Okay, sorry about that. That's rad. Okay, radian. The other the other saan tawag ano? Yan mental block. Uh, wait. The other unit. Yeah, the other unit of measure for angles. Okay, aside from degrees, we also have radians. Okay? Sige. So, please, if you do not know about radians yet, you are going to search online, no? Because that's already in your math class or in your previous maths as in your high school. So, we do not need to discuss that here. Okay, for our next example, we have a ladder. Nanaputay ladder. Same ganina. So, a ladder 25 feet long leans against a vertical wall. So, now daw tayo ladder. Kinaputay to vertical wall. Okay, dapat tayo ladder. Pak. Uy, sige, ano na siya. So, ladder. So, if the lower end, okay. So, ang lower end na kanina itong gi-pull, gibira daw na ito ni. Gibira na ito ni. So, pagbibira na ito na maana, gina siya, no? May magiginani ang ladder. No? May na gina siya. Pagbirahon. So, meaning, naga-change imo ang X. Ang X ang ga-change, right? Tanawa, ang X ang change, dili ang Y. Right? So, that means that your dx for dt here is to 6 feet per second. Okay? Ikani man natong gibira, di ba? If the lower end is pulled daw, pagka ni biron pak gibira sa tao, nahimog yung nani ninaog ang ladder. Ana. So, how fast is the angle between the ladder kani daw and the floor changing when the lower end is 7 feet from the wall? So, when the lower end is 7 feet from the wall. So, let's okay. So, yeah. Gwapo kaya ko ang drawing na figure. It's very near from here. So, yeah, I'm correct, right? So, gibira na to si ladder, pak, gibira siya. So, natay dx over dt given 25 feet na ladder and your x which is 7 feet. What's the question? You're going to find unsa ka paspas mag-change imong angle. Okay? Between the ladder and the floor. So, okay, dito magtanong sa answer, be attempt to the. Okay, what should we do, guys? So, we have hypotenuse and what's this? Adjacent. Given sila duha. What should we do? So, SOHCAHTOA. Okay, SOHCAHTOA. So, you have cos, no? Adjacent man, okay, hypotenuse given. Matik na nalayon. So, 7 over 25. So, theta is equal to r cos. Uy, saan naman 7 over 25. Okay, so we are going to derive that. Yes, so we are deriving that equation. Let's go here. So, how do we derive that? So, you have to memorize, no, the table sa derivative sa inverse trigonometric function. So, that's negative 1 over 1 minus u squared niya. Square root ato niya. Multiplied by the derivative of x over 25. So, you will now have this as your derivative. Okay, so substitute 7, okay, and dx over dt, which is 6. So that's 6 here. Okay. Then cx, which is 7. So yeah, you will have the answer as -1/4 radian per second. So negative sign once again tells you that the angle is decreasing. So panaog imong angle, no? Okay, so once again, if you have any questions, you are going to post it sa forum na ako ang isend. Okay, so for our next topic, that will be, I think, the derivative of exponential functions and hyperbolic functions. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I was looking for the same, no? So it's exponential and logarithmic pala. Okay. And the last topic for our third exam will be hyperbolic. Yeah, actually, this one is very simple lang, no? So, logarithmic and exponential and then hyperbolic. So, okay, that's it for our lesson for today. Thank you. Okay, by the way, yeah, you do not forget if you are going to derive this with respect to t, the x over dt will remain. So, i-derive lang nimo si 1 over, si x over 25, that's 1 over 25, then derivative of x, which is the x over dt. Okay? Do not forget, basig makalimot sa exam. Thank you. Again, bye.